caught on camera. They target cars in the middle of the night for solely one thing.
Beach, California. The man walks up to the car and using a small box, opens it.
The thieves are taking your pickup tailgate and they're going to sell it for cash.
Okay, we got a 2006 LJ. Everything is converted over. Guy bought it used. He threw a nice paint job on it. He converted the back. Give it the gladiator look. This thing is a beauty. So basically we end up installing the Clipper alarm system, and we even, the car didn't have any actuators inside of these half doors. So we went ahead and installed the motors inside the doors. So this guy can have power locks and convert it over like if it was a new car. Okay, I'm gonna arm the system. Locks your doors. Unlocks your doors. Normally when you arm the alarm, you should get 2 beeps. If you get 4 beeps, that means the alarm was triggered. It's because we triggered the alarm earlier. The minute you start the car, it'll reset and it'll go back to 2. The lock and unlock is here. Lock, unlock, and then if you hold this one down, it's the panic button. Okay. And then we hooked it up with a Viper Smart Start. So with the app in the phone, he's able to arm and disarm it, and it has GPS. And anytime the alarm fires off, you'll get the alerts in the phone. So yeah, this thing, you know, he was telling me that every time he drives it down the street, he gets a lot of thumbs up. People stopping him in the street, you know, offering him ridiculous amount of money for it. So yeah, he did a real nice job on this Jeep. This alarm system comes with 2 fobs. So any banging they do in the windows, it will fire off the alarm. If they open a door, it will trigger the alarm. Okay. Let's see if this is the key to this Jeep. Probably a throwback key. Here we go. The old key. He just got the text message on his phone that the alarm went off. This Jeep was converted over. We went ahead and installed the motors in the doors. Anybody who has these type of Jeeps, the only doors and Jeeps that I can install the actuators in are Jeeps that have half doors. In essence, you can remove the top, like this one. Also, this one too. We went ahead and did the motors in this Jeep too, and because they have half doors. If you have a Jeep that you have the full glass, what's happening inside those doors are cable driven. So yeah, I mean, I don't like to cut into those cables and put any type of motors, because those cables eventually will end up breaking. So we kind of stay away from that. It's not worth the aggravation to try to put motors in those Jeeps anyway. So and like I tell my Jeep owners, you know, I know it's mental to lock it, but at the end of the day, and these type, at least in this one, it's got the glass, which they can't get in that easy. This one, you know, we went ahead and put the locks anyway, but at the end of the day, let's be real, anybody wants to get in here, they'll just unzip it and stick their hand and open the door. So if you have a door that, I mean, if you have a Jeep that's convertible, you know, and they'll open up the zipper in the back and crawl right in too. So it's best to just get an alarm that sends you a message to your phone, and treat this thing like if it was a slingshot or a motorcycle or something like that. Because at the end of the day, if your Jeep doesn't have the hard top with the windows, I don't see the point of really locking the Jeep anyway, because they're gonna either cut your top or unzip that and open the door. So you know, don't stress about it if we can't put the motors in. But definitely we can do it if you got half doors. And this one, it was a must, because this one is like a glass, like a window. So yeah, this is going to be a little harder to get in. There's nothing to unzip in the back. So yeah, it made sense to put the actuators inside this one. This upgrade was installed here in Miami, Florida. We went ahead and got the app going here. To lock it, you're gonna hit lock. Okay. Unlock it, you're gonna hit unlock. Unlocks it. Gives you the map. You know, you can, when the alarm fires off, you already saw the alert come in. So yeah, if anybody has these type of Jeeps and you want to protect it, give us a call. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we thank you for watching this video.